very clear that not only Tech4Life, but also all of you want to use technology to transform our dream into products, games, apps, and solutions that we have never seen before. That's the root of innovation. So today, we are very pleased to bring a useful product for everyone to consume it. We will make a presentation with 5 parts. There are issues, solution, business development, and then is demo and future development. My name is Lin, and I will talk about what the issues are or how can we come up with this idea. Many fan pages on Facebook today have increasingly made on Facebook so that they can interact with other users or so they can attract people by giving them valuable items. And if here is ebook to those who like, share, or tag something post. And you see on the screen, in this post of Business and English, Club Foreign University Vietnam fan page, it has 375 comments. Or another one, this post has more than 1,100 comments. And the last one, Bien Moon giveaway fan page, it has more than 4,500 comments. If you copy and paste very skillfully, it will take 5 seconds to collect an email. And with a simple calculation, you can see the results on the screen are shown. And this here, where the number of comments had dramatically increased more than 100 comments. The administrator will make too much time on collecting emails and checking requirements. Maybe this will make them be tired and very crazy. And so, how can we solve this problem? Commerce. Our Commerce is created to tackle this problem for administrator of Facebook, which helps them to collect information such as emails and telephone number from their posts. Yeah, I mean here it collects information, and then Commerce also integrates an automatically process to send email to followers with personalization at the highest level. To understand more clearly, I'll give an example here. Administrator on Facebook want to extract emails from their posts, and then after collecting emails, they have to send ebooks to emails of followers. But the especially is each email will contain the exact name of the follower, such as dear Mr. Duck or dear Miss Lee, yeah, so on. This will show respect, interaction, and politeness towards followers. And let's think about why they should use our Commerce. As you can see on the screen, there are 3 reasons. The first, Commerce has high performance. Secondly, Commerce helps to save time, effort for administrator. And the last one, Commerce is really easy to use. Yeah, it will be shown on the demo. And back to BN Moon giveaway fan page. We took this fan page to illustrate a benchmark on this local computer. Yeah, and these are the results. With more than 4,500 comments, it just takes 12 seconds to filter 4,198 comments exactly without irrelevant information. Example, thank you admins or something like that. Besides, Commerce is set to filter comments with other criteria, and then auto hide comments after administrator use emails. After to protect the data of the users. And next is the part of business development, to know how can we earn money from this product.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hannah, and now I will continue our presentation about business development. The first thing I want to share with you is our target market. We aim to ask needs of profitable organizations and non-profitable organizations. The profitable organizations will accounting for 30% of the market share. And here's the two groups of our market targets. So the first one, for the profitable organization, we will aim to online shop and e-center or skill centers, which have the really high demands of collecting data, especially on the fan pages or Instagrams or Twitters. And the second thing is about the non-profitable organization. They are non-governmental or non-profitable organization and also student club. Okay, and how about the pricing? This is our strategies. You can clearly see on the screen that we will offer 5 first harvest comments or contacts for free. And when the user reaches these numbers, they will have to pay fees. We will use the productized pricing. For example, the starters will want to collect about 5,000 comments or contacts. They must pay about 50,000 VN per month, and these numbers will increase. Depends on who they are, their starters or premium or the professional, especially the enterprise. If they accept to pay about 5 billion VN per month, they will have unlimited contacts and emails. And remember that this is a really reasonable price because it's just about 10 VN per comments or emails compared to the times and the salary for the admin that we save to the company. Okay, now about the promotions, we will offer the customer a discount for the long-term purchasing. For example, if they pay per month, it will be $50,000. But when they pay per month for 6 months, it will be down to about 40,000 VN per month. And we give away premium pass and also special price for non-profit segment. And here is some of our financials. The first thing I would like to share with you is the total revenues of the first years is about $17,900. But we can see that the total cost of the first year is $19,600. It means that we will last about $1,700 in the first year. But don't worry, we will bring it back in the second years and in the third years when the revenues become higher and our markets. In the first year, we target for about 1,000 customers. Okay, so now I want to share with you some risks of our apps. The first thing that many apps, also all the apps in the world that's played with is the model copycat. Because it's really easy to copy an app and sell it on the iOS or Android. So how can we deal with this? We will update our apps day by day and improve our solutions for customers. And also, with the information leaking and server attacks, we will use the new features of technologies to protect the data. And also, if you favor bankruptcies, you know that when Yahoo in the years of 2000, no one think that Yahoo will be bankrupt. But then, it happened. And so it's Facebook may be also one of our risks. So to solve this risk, we will expand our markets. For example, not our next social network is not only Facebook, but also Twitter or Instagram and other social networks. So now we will come to the presentation of Mr. Luke, who will talk with about the demos of our app.
Okay, so